Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Intan Diana, who is the lecturer that evaluate me for the final presentation of industrial training. Okay, firstly is my name is Khairul Izham bin Sadun and my matrix number is 24 DTP 17 F1008 and I am from the mechanical engineering department and my company for the industrial training is Top Glove Sdn Berhad, which is a factory 13. Okay, for the next slide, which is the figure shows the company logo for Top Glove Sdn Berhad F13. So the logo is very simple, which is the blue and the white color and the sentence of the company, which is top glove, top efficiency, which is the product is very for the top quality, top efficiency, which is the very nice product. Okay, we go to the next slide. Okay, company introduction. Established in 1991 and headquartered in Malaysia, Top Glove Sdn Berhad is the world's largest manufacturer of gloves. Okay, the Top Glove is the company which is the product is the glove. So the product is the largest manufacturer in the Malaysia. As we know, that have other company that use the glove product as a Kosan, Artalega, Nexter. Okay, but for the largest company for the glove industrial is the Top Glove. Okay, we go to the next point. The company owned by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai, this is the big boss of this company. The chairman, the owner of the Top Glove. And for the next point, start as only a local business enterprise with one factory and one glove production line, has to capture 26% of the world market share for the rubber glove. Okay, for the beginning of this company history, so Tan Sri Lim Wee Chai only have a one factory and one production line at the first. So after the year, when the company, the business grow up to the next level, so the Top Glove have built a many factory and have a hundred production line for the company. Okay. To the next point. Okay, Top Glove offer a comprehensive product range, which now include a non-glove segment comprising condoms, dental dams, and exercise band, fulfilling demand in both the healthcare and non-healthcare segment. Okay, so the Top Glove is not just a glove only. This is a variety of the product, which is the healthy product lah. Okay, we go to the next point. M&E stand for Mechanical and Electrical Department. It's one of the essential department that contribute to maintain the process in making a glove product. Okay, as we know, every factory must have their own maintenance department, right? So same goes to the Top Glove company that have a M&E department to maintain all the machine, all the mechanical part, all the electrical part, to maintain the process for the running production line to making a product. So this department is very important to make the process good to the company and to the production lines especially. Okay, we go to the next point. It has 3 divisions in this department. Okay, for the first division is the mechanical division. It's especially for me lah, because I'm from the mechanical background student. So the mechanical is to maintain all the mechanical part in the production line, which is such as a bearing, a motor, um, the mechanical machine such as the welding, the nut bolt and nut process. That's all lah. This very many. So okay. So the next division is the electrical. Okay, the electrical is to maintain all the electrical part, which is the wiring, the power supply to the production line, and which is that short circuit that occur to the production line. So they fix all the electrical part. Okay, for the last division is the IR burner. Okay, the IR burner is some of the fire supply to heat the oven. Okay, as a information top glove production line use the oven to heat the glove to make the process of the glove product. Yeah. Okay, we go to the next point which is M&E department responsible to maintain and improve the efficiency of the machinery used in the production line. So their job scope is responsible to maintain and improve the efficiency to make the production line is more useful, more sustainable and more productivity lah. And the last point is improve efficiency and innovation of the previous system and machinery that used in the production line, more progressive and perfect with less inefficiency. For the next is the engineer, researcher, officer, technician, supervisor, worker, and the trainee. Okay, this is the list of work that I have been through during 4 months in my industrial training. So I have been working from 8 a.m. until the 5 p.m. every weekday, and every weekend I only work for one Saturday in 1 month only. Okay, this is the that I do in the production line, which is the first is brush change for small washing brush, big washing brush, and beading brush. And second, bearing change, nylon track change, lubricant change for the bearing blower motor, welding for the plate, the jerking in the former track, bugle change at the beading station, fix the broken slack chain, welding for the S-plate problem in the former track. And lastly is install aluminium cover for the motor between the tank. Okay, all these tasks, all this job that I doing is all the daily job, because the that I informed before this, the top glove production line is running 24 hours non-stop. For the next slide, this is the outside production line, which is not only for the maintenance job scope in the production line. So they have to work in the outside the production line, which is this is what I have been through, that I have made lah in 4 month training. So for the point number 1 is make air conditioner compressor cleaning service, welding and painting netting gate, bench and rubbish bin at the rest area block A, welding to make a container of usage cotton glove, repair the damaged door at toilet block A, QA lab and production office block A, welding to process the broken wheel for the production quality casket. So all the maintenance of this case, the job is only do for the trainee lah. This is some pictures during maintenance at Top Glad F13. So this is what I daily do lah in the company. The project is to build the platform at line 1D. Okay, for point number 1, build the platform for the IETS department. So IETS department is one of the department in this factory to put the storage of the alkaline. So they had their own project. So they used for the M&E department to help their project to install the platform. The platform length is 12 meters and width 4 meters, and the material for the framework is I-beam metal, turning with 2 workers involved: welding machine, arc and gas welding, and grinder and pen. So this is the very simple equipment lah. This is my workflow process. For the next slide is this is some picture of process for the project. Okay, for the number 1 is measurement process. Number 2 picture is welding process for all the side of the part, and number 3 also the welding process. Yeah. Okay, the next slide is final result for the project. So as you can see, the final result, the platform is the very nice look, and it's definitely complete lah to IETS project. Experience is first-hand experience working as a technician professional. So this training is contribute my skill for the real work. Yeah, for the real work as a technician professional. Yeah. For the next, apply technical knowledge and engineering method to real life situation, other workers professional, and technique improvement in mechanical work. This is all the experience that I have through among the company. For the challenge is does not get the full information from the staff about the specific job because too busy. Yeah. For the next is limited equipment and source material because of tight schedule maintained in the production. Yeah. The equipment for the M&E is not too many, so we use the source limited lah for the do a maintenance at the outside. If they use the equipment, if the worker and the technician use the maintenance. The conclusion part is provide the student with the working experience in the real environment. Yeah, this industry is very important lah to the student to contribute their skill to feel the real life of the industry. Okay, second, build self-confident to work. Yeah, confident level, increase the confident level of the student to make the mechanical work job scope. Yeah, application in the system about some tasks and work to be complete with creativity and innovative. Yeah, they capable to use their knowledge, use their what they have learned in the polytechnic to contribute their creativity and innovative when they head in the work, the real work. Yeah. For the next, hands-on job clearly without any awkward part. And lastly, planning scope to complete the work in job. Yeah. In the mechanical part, we have to plan for make the job. Alright, for the next is the question from Madam. Okay, question number 1 is, which task did you think relate with your subject or learning in polytechnic? Yeah, I think all the job that I have done during the industrial training is all the job is very related lah with my mechanical and what I have learned in the polytechnic, what I have study in polytechnic, which is relate the mechanical such as welding. Yeah, welding part is the very common job that I have done in this company. Yeah. The second question is, suggest any innovation that's suitable for your company. Yeah, the suggestion and innovation is they need to improvise for the system, which is the system that know which part the M&E mechanical department used to work. and not only for during the downline planning, they need to improvise for their system for M&E department to make their job. Yeah. Okay, for the last question from Madam is any suggestion or recommendation for the next LI student? And he said, yeah, this company is very recommended to the student who is want to make their industrial training in this company, because is the job scope and with the mechanical student is very related. Yeah, it's very recommended, high recommended to the student to make a industrial training in this company. Yeah, that's all from me, and thank you to the Madam Intaniana to hearing to look for my online presentation, right? Yeah, because I not prepared at all. That's all from me, and thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.